Shape Explorer is an interactive software that allows students to render shapes based on parametric and implicit functions. This is a software that is being used to teach mathematics visualization to students in NTU. Here, I have two different types of shape. The first is a parametric, and the other is an implicit shape. And the user can change the formula in the code tab below. Now, for this new version, I've implemented a new feature that allows the display of multiple shapes in a single screen. For example, let me click on the chat box for the parametric shape. And a new tab called Multiple appears. And now, let me click on the chat box for the implicit surface. And you can see that now the multiple tab reflects both the parametric and implicit surface in the same scene. In this case, we can zoom in and zoom out, as well as move around to see the shapes. Now, let me uncheck the chat box for this too, and we can see that once the chat box has been unticked, the multiple tab automatically closes. Now, let's see for a new type of shape, which is an animating object. And here we have a pink hexagon shown. And I've also created another animating object, which is a blue hexagon. And allow me to click on the chat box for both of them. And we can see that in this case, the software will now synchronize their timing to ensure that they start at the same time. And overall, this software will allow users to make easier comparisons and analyses when given the ability to view multiple objects all in one scene. Thank you.